In a world dominated by technology, our phones are our lifelines, yet paradoxically fragile. Have you ever wondered why your phone screen shatters so easily? The answer lies in its very design. Modern smartphones use glass that's a marvel of engineering, Gorilla Glass. It's incredibly thin and offers clarity, but this thinness also makes it vulnerable. The glass is designed to withstand scratches, but a simple drop can spell disaster due to the force concentrated on impact. As manufacturers push for slimmer designs, the durability is compromised. In conclusion, while our phones are marvels of innovation, their fragility is a constant reminder of the delicate balance between technology and practicality.